Hi everybody, so today I want to show you how to jazz up a potato salad, because while potato salad is delicious, it can be a bit bland. So I've got about 8 potatoes. They have been put in the microwave for about 25 minutes and they are quite soft, quite fluffy, and as you can see there, you can see they're very fluffy. And I've got 1 red onion here, and you will also need about 8 eggs boiled and sliced. I like to put in the same amount of eggs that I have for potatoes, so 8 potatoes, 8 eggs. And here, this makes all the difference. I've got 1 heaped tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs, and I've got a semi-level tablespoon of garlic. So, and then the only last thing I've got here is I never actually put parsley into my potato salad. I use coriander, or as it's known in other parts of the world, cilantro. So we're going to go ahead and prepare these. Everything has been pre-washed. I'm just going to take some bits off. So now that you have got your cilantro or coriander as finely chopped as possible, you're looking for about that much, and really it's going to come down to what your preference is on the taste. You're just going to assemble everything together. Okay, so you're going to put everything in. I've got red onion today because I just want to add a bit of colour into my salad. As you can see, my mayonnaise is really thick, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of milk in here just to loosen things up a bit. And now you're left with one hot mess, so you're going to mix your salad really, really well, and I'll show you what this looks like afterwards. So now, as you can see here, I have mixed my mayonnaise and my herbs and spices thoroughly into my ingredients. And also what I've done is I've cleaned the side of the bowl just so that it's neat and clean. And so all I'm going to do now is put a bit of garnish on. So what I do is I put a bit of black pepper on top, a little bit of coriander flakes, and that's it. And maybe some mixed herbs. That's it. So I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so here is my tasty potato salad. As you can see, it's colourful. It's going to be much tastier than your normal because you've got garlic, you've got herbs in there, and you've got fresh coriander as an alternative to parsley. So I do hope you try it, and I'm pretty sure you will enjoy it. Everybody who has the salad just loves my potato salad. So if you're new here, please do subscribe, because there's going to be much more recipes coming along. I'm mostly interested in making meals for the family, so I do hope you enjoy what's coming up next. If you like the content in today's video, please do hit the like button so that I know that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.